chasing a few trevally. We're trying to get GTs, but anyway, we'll see how we go. Well, whatever's easiest, doesn't really matter. I'm sort of in the middle of that lane. It's almost like you've done this before. Couple of times.
Yeah, she is in the water. She's floating, that's a good sign. I said she floats, that's a good sign.
Good sign, yeah. There's no water coming on board yet.
Wicked. Alright.
Alrighty.
There you go. Oh, the fish are on already, look at that.
Yes.
I love that about pulling into pontoons, eh?
Yeah, it's just bait everywhere. Oh, you get some big splash stuff around here though. So I'm not too sure who these guys are, but I've just got a feeling. It's Andrew Simons in the Channel 10 mob. I can't remember the guy's name now. Real Fish or Real Fishing TV or something.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so they were apparently around here doing some filming. So I've got a feeling it might be those guys.
Yeah, by the professional cameraman on board.
Yeah.
Might be right.
No, a mate of mine was saying that his friend was, or his mate was driving their boat, so, and they were down here for the next few days, so got a feeling that might be them.
Yes. On.
Here we go.
Woo. Looks like some weight about him.
Oh, he's giving you a bit of curry, that's good.
Yeah, she's big, whatever this is. Good fish.
Any colour yet?
Awesome.
A little bit deep, eh? You reckon you can turn him around? He's holding deep.
Sting of the horse, man.
Yeah. Bit of a head shake then.
Yes.
Good fish. Trev, I reckon, eh?
Big Trev?
Big Trev, I reckon, yeah.
Yeah.
Big head shakes. Lose him. You spit it already?
I think. That'll bust me off.
No.
Oh, man. Oh.
Bugger. Oh, we'll try again.
Yes.
Golden.
Oh, nice. Still got a bit of go on him. Yes.
Excellent.
Check that out, man. Woo! There you go.
There he is, eh? He's sort of golden.
Solid, man.
5 or 6 kilo probably.
Yeah, that's wicked.
Yeah. Pretty common out here, are these things?
Yeah, golden trowelly.
Yeah.
Nice. Get him back in the water, eh?
Yeah, mate.
Woo! Nice one.
Your turn next.
These things are like psycho. Chill it out, dude. Whoa! Good release. Good release. Woo!
No donuts for you, don't?
Yeah, no donut today. At least we got a fish. I should jump in the water by dropping it right there, though.
Yeah, I wouldn't be jumping in the water around here.
Yeah, no chance. Not after the shark I seen yesterday. The day before yesterday.